In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a user in QuickBooks Online. This simple process should take us about 5 minutes to complete, and it is an essential skill for anyone managing finances with QuickBooks. Let's get started and go through each step together for the clearest understanding. First, what you'll need to do is click on the Sign In button. This button is usually located at the upper right corner of the QuickBooks Online website. If you're using the app, it should be prominently displayed on the home screen. Signing in is your gateway to accessing all of QuickBooks' features, including the ability to edit user information. Once you've signed in, the next thing you need to do is select QuickBooks Online from the available options. This ensures that you're working within the correct platform. QuickBooks offers a variety of services, so choosing the right option is crucial for accessing the online tools and features related to user management. Now it's time to enter your credentials. Type in your username and password, then hit continue. Make sure your login information is entered correctly to avoid any unnecessary delays. If you've forgotten your password, there's usually an option to reset it right on the login page. With that done, navigate to the Customers and Leads tab. This tab is where you'll find a host of options related to managing customer information. It should be listed in your main navigation menu, which is very user-friendly and designed to help you locate features quickly. After finding the Customers and Leads tab, click on Customers. This link will direct you to a detailed list of your current customers, showing all the accounts you manage. Each listed profile is clickable, allowing you to view or edit detailed information for each customer. Now let's get into editing a profile. Locate the customer profile you wish to edit and click on it. Once you're in the profile, find the Edit button. Clicking this will open up an editable version of the customer's information, allowing you to make necessary changes, whether you're updating contact details, adjusting account settings, or changing notes. This is where you can do it all. After making all the changes, it's crucial to wrap it up by clicking the Save button. This ensures that all the edits you've entered are updated in the system. Forgetting this step is like writing a letter and forgetting to send it, so make sure the data is saved before you leave the profile. And there you have it, you've successfully edited a user in QuickBooks Online. It's a straightforward process, but being familiar with these steps can save you time and prevent errors in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out.